1, 2, 3.
All right.
When an individual arrives at this center, they immediately receive crisis intervention services and linkages to care. And most importantly, of those transported to this center by law enforcement, over 80% do not have a repeat visit to this facility related to criminal justice involvement within a year, and over 80% of those diverted from potential arrests in 2019 alone were not incarcerated again during the following year. And that is what this is all about, which is getting people into treatment, out of incarceration, getting them the help that they need. And I think, not only was it the humanitarian vision that Sharon had to make this happen, but it was also the very pragmatic.
And if there's a glimmer of hope in giving them another opportunity to return to productive life, from Sharon's point of view, that was a value that ought to be upheld.
I can't think of a more fitting name, because I think that at the heart of it is what we do here. It's about ensuring that the community, that everyone in the community is healthy, that they have access to the services they need, and that we ensure the holistic approach to ensuring health in our entire community, and not just those who have access to it, but ensuring those who don't. We continue to fight to ensure that they do.
Lives are changed, and lives are saved thanks to the work that is done in this building as a result of Diversion First. To the professional staff and to individuals who serve as peer coaches and counselors, thank you. What you are doing is making a difference. And thank you to my colleagues on the Board of Supervisors, both past and present, for the support you gave and are still giving to make positive changes happen. And so with that, alrighty-roo, let's get on with the program. Thank you so much for joining us here today.